Hey guys, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you the definite easiest way to dry off a freshly washed Cybertruck, and that would be electrically. So I've got here a very powerful leaf blower, goes over 100 miles per hour. Gonna plug that in to the vault, see if we can unravel this. Alrighty, we are all unraveled. Plug this in and hope that it is not on. Make sure it's not on. Ideally, you want to do this in the shade. Unfortunately, this is the only drying bay that I have available to me. Everywhere else is taken. Let's raise this tailgate up. But yeah, ideally you do this in the shade. And let's crank this baby to 100%. Alrighty, that's one side down. I'll basically just repeat that for the other side, and then all I gotta do is come through with microfiber to get off some of these little water spots. In fact, let me grab one of those right now. Alrighty, I got some spray away. This stuff's amazing. You can get nice and close. See all the residual. This is why you want to do this in the shade, is it dries too quickly in the sun. But all good. That's why I got it wrapped. Gone. So satisfying. Love this red. Shout out to Manny Tinted It in Livermore, California. He did a hell of a job wrapping this thing for me. Did it in 30 hours flat. $4,500 for the tint, the PPF, and the ceramic coat. Amazing deal. Alrighty, I think that does it for now. If you want to see a longer version of this sort of truck cleaning process, just leave a comment and a like below, and I'll see what I can do for that. Until next time, see you later. Alright, I had to show this. This is mildly funny. So as I'm leaving the car wash, all clean, nice and dry, everything's pristine, I decided to let the guy ahead of me lead the way
since there was a camper on the right side. And then the guy decides to stop in front of me and start turning around. Meanwhile, this old is like totally disregarding everything around her. She's just continuing to clean the camper and just totally just soaking the entire right side that I just spent like an hour cleaning. I don't know why that guy turned around, but what the